All right, so I've gotten everything laid out in the order that we're gonna go by. Haven't taken anything out of the bag just because I don't want to lose any kind of fibers. Even the tweezers, I'm gonna make sure I kept them in the bag until then because I'm so afraid of losing anything really. So we're gonna start off with the cotton fiber sample. And just by looking at it, it looks like it's, oh, it looks like it's twisted. All right, and now, oh my goodness. Why is this so hard to hold? All right, so first thing we're gonna do is we're gonna take the lighter, and it says to slowly move it towards the flame just to see what it does. Okay, so my observation is that it flies away from the flame. It kind of like, it doesn't curl away, it's kind of like it's almost wind. So now we're going to actually put the fiber into the flame. All right, and so my observation is that it lights on fire. It puts off a smell kind of like burning trash, I guess. There is light smoke present. It keeps burning after you move the fiber away from the flame. Make sure I got everything. All right. It doesn't really feel any different. So the residue is very light. There hardly is any, and it's not leaving anything on my fingers. Okay, now we're gonna go to wool. If I can get it. This is a lot thicker than the cotton. I can already tell, and it's frizzier. All right, so same thing. We're gonna hold it fairly far away from the flame. Okay, so it curls. It curls to get away from the flame. Now we're gonna put it into the flame. Okay, it stinks. It smells very bad. It's kind of smells like burning hair, I guess. I mean, it's wool, so I mean, yeah. It does the same thing. It tries to curl away, but eventually catches on fire. It stays on fire for a little bit after I move the flame away. There is smoke present, and it leaves a black residue. And it's hard. It makes the fiber hard. Okay, now we're gonna go to rayon. I think I'm pronouncing that right. This is, I can already tell, very thin. I'm scared I'm gonna drop it. Okay, ooh. As the flame gets closer to the fiber, it really doesn't do anything. It starts to kind of melt. Now we're gonna put it into it. Oh, did not expect that. Oh gosh. Obviously that lit up very quickly. That was very flammable and it burned up very fast. Terrible smell. Smells like burning trash. Worse maybe. and it's crunchy. The residue is crunchy and falls apart. Now we're going to be doing silk. Alright, so this is a lot thicker than the rayon, but not as thick as the wool. There it goes, okay. Alright, so that kind of tries to run away from the flame, same thing, but it doesn't really move around much. Now we're going to put it into the flame. Oh my goodness. Of course it would start to go dead right now. Okay, I'm gonna have to stop the video and fill this up, and then we'll come back.